Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about carbon compounds. So first thing we will study about carbon is how does the bonding take place in carbon. So before knowing how does the bonding takes place in carbon, we need to know the structure of carbon. Now here on the screen you can see the model of carbon atom. Okay. First let us understand what is an atom. Atom is a basic structural unit of an element. Okay. Now, atom is composed of nucleus, which is in the center. Okay. Nucleus, which is in the center, and beside the nucleus, you will see orbits. Okay. We can see orbits. This is an orbit. This is an orbit. This is an orbit, and this is an orbit. So, these are the orbits in which electron revolves around the nucleus. So these orbits are called as energy levels. Okay, these orbits are called as energy level. So these energy levels are given certain names. The names given to this energy level is K, L, M, N. So this is a structure of an atom which has nucleus in the center, and beside the nucleus are the energy levels. Then, if the atom, this is basic structure of an atom. Now let us see how is a carbon atom. How are the electrons present in a carbon atom? This is a structure of carbon atom. Okay, you can see the structure of carbon atom. Now carbon atomic number is 6. Carbon atomic number is 6. So it means that it has got 6 protons and 6 electrons. So you can see here these are the electrons. 1, 2, 3. This is first. This is second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So we have 6 electrons. Then number of protons. You can see the plus charge. These are 6 protons. And you can see these orange balls. These are 6 neutrons. So a carbon atom has nucleus in the center, which consists of protons and neutrons, which are both 6 in number, that is 6 protons and 6 neutrons, and we see 6 electrons. These are negative particles which are called as electron revolving round the nucleus. So this is a structure of carbon atom with 6 protons, 6 neutrons and 6 electrons. Now let us know what type of bonding do carbon atom form. Now if we see the structure of carbon atom, you can see in the first figure here. Okay, in this figure you see that this is the structure of carbon atom. Now when carbon atom is forming a bond, it has to either lose electrons or gain electron. Now let us assume that first case, if suppose it is losing electron. That is, suppose it is gaining the electron. Now, in its outermost orbit, carbon has got 1, 2, 3 and 4 electrons. Okay. In its outermost orbit, carbon has got 4 electrons. Now, to attain stability, it requires 4 more electrons. So, when does an atom become stable? If it has octet electronic configuration. It means 8 electrons in its outermost orbit. So, if carbon has to attain the stability, it has to either take 4 more electrons and attain the stability, or it has to lose that 4 electron and it can become C plus 4 by having only first orbit with 2 electrons. So now, because carbon atom, if suppose carbon atom gains 4 electron, that is if it becomes C minus 4, the nucleus has only 6 protons and 6 neutrons. So this 6 protons will not have a capacity to hold 8 electrons in its outermost orbit. So as a result, this possibility is not there. That is taking off 4 more electrons. Now if we think about losing of 4 electrons, now if suppose carbon atom tries to lose those 4 electrons, the force of attraction between the nucleus and that four electron is very strong. So this situation is also not possible. So if we want to remove this outermost electron, we require large amount of energy. Okay, whereas in first case 6 protons cannot hold the 10 electrons. As a result, carbon cannot form an ionic bond either by losing or gaining of electron. Then what bond does carbon form? Carbon forms a bond by sharing of electrons, and that bond is called as covalent bond. Did you understand this? If you want some more information regarding such type of components or compounds or elements, then like our video, subscribe our channel and share with your friends.